Hello everybody and welcome to the video notes for problem number 17 and problem number 19 of day 2 of our review. Before we look at number 17, I want you to make a few notes at the top of your page where there's space right here. And I want you to write the number 2 and in parentheses, let's do 5 plus a and if you remember what the distributive property tells us is 2 times the quantity of 5 plus a, or 2 times the sum of 5 plus a, is the same thing as 2 times 5, right? 2 times 5 plus 2 times a. Right? I'm multiplying whatever's outside the parentheses with each term inside the parentheses. And so this would be 2 times 5 is 10, and then plus, because there's the plus, 2 times a is just 2a. So 2 times the quantity of 5 plus a is the same thing as 10 plus 2a. Let's keep that in mind as we do these two problems. So for number 7, it's asking us to consider the equation showing the distributive property below. What value would make the equation true? 56 plus 94 is equal to 2 times the quantity of 28 plus some number. To figure out what would go in this blank space, right, remember that 2 times the first term is going to be that number right there. 2 times 28, that's 56. And then 2 times whatever this second number should be this number. So I know that 2 times whatever is here has to be equal to 94, right? So I'm thinking about 2 times what number is equal to 94. One way I can figure this out is dividing 94 by 2. So I'm going to do that right here. 94 divided by 2. And I want you to practice doing this long division because on the test you're not going to be able to use calculators. So how many times can 2 go into 9? It can go in 4 times. 4 times 2 would be 8. I subtract the 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down the 4. How many times can 2 go into 14? It can go in 7 times. So that means right here it's going to be 47. Because 2 times 28 is 56, and then 2 times 47 is 94. Okay, you can use that same strategy to solve number 18. Now let's look at 19. The total cost for a family to see a movie at the theater can be given by the expression 12C plus 14A, where C is the number of children seeing the movie and A is the number of adults seeing the movie. Which expression also represents the total cost for C children and A adults to see the movie? Okay, that sounds like a lot, but ultimately all of it's asking me for is to go through each of these expressions and see which ones are equal to that right there, 12C plus 14A. So we can use the distributive property. 1 times 2C plus 1 times 4A. That would be, right, 1 times 2C plus 1 times 4A. That's 1 times 2C is just 2C. 1 times 4A is just 4A. So 2C plus 4A, is that the same thing as 12C plus 14A? It is not, so that one doesn't work. This one would be 2 times 6C, right, that's that right there, plus 2 times 7A. 2 times 6C is 12C plus 2 times 7A is 14A. Is 12c plus 14a the same thing as 12c plus 14a? Yes, it is. That's the one we're looking for. Now, just to double check, let's go through c and d as well. This would be 6 times 2c plus 6 times 14a. That would be 6 times 2c is 12c plus 6 times 14 is 84a. That's not the same thing as 12c plus 14a. Last one, 7 times 12c plus 7 times 2a. That's equal to 7 times 12 is 84c plus 7 times 2a is 14a. 84c plus 14a, we wanted 12c plus 14a, so that's not what we want either. So it's going to be B. Okay, and you can use that same strategy to solve number 20.